Number one, with the aid of mathematical tables, evaluate the cube root of 1067 divided by what? 29.4. So you use you use your four-figure table. The first number is 1067. What's the characteristic of this number, of the logarithm of this number?
4.
You know, 4.
3.
3, beautiful. So you have 3 points. What do we check? When we go to logarithm, what do we check? So let's go to the table of logarithms. What do we check?
10/6
Yes, log 10 under 6 difference 7. Beautiful. 10 under 6. What's 10 under 6?
10 under 6.
Yes.
0
2
5 3.
5 3. Now go to difference 7. What's difference 7?
29.
29. Beautiful. So let's add 3 plus 9 12. Carry 1. That's 6 8 2 0. So that's 3.0282. Exactly. Yeah. Now what's the next one? The second number is what? What's the second number?
29.4.
29.4. What's the characteristic of a logarithm of a number? 1. So we have 1 point. What are we checking?
29 under 4.
Yes, 29 under 4. Let's go to that. Check. What's 29 under 4? Can you say that 29 under 4 is what?
4669.
29 under 4 is 46. 29 under 4, that's... No, you didn't check that word. 29 under 4, look at it. 29. Look at it now. 29 under 4. 29 under 4. 4683. That's 1.4. You have to be careful because if that's wrong, you are going to miss it.
Because I'm not doing
okay. 40. Oh, good. Okay. 4683. Now we are dividing. That means 1067 divided by 29.4 will be the difference between the logarithm of 1067 and 29.4. So let's go. Look at that. Let's go. 2 minus 3 impossible. Borrow 1 from here. You're left with 7. 12 minus 3, 9. 7 minus 8 impossible. Borrow 1 from here. You're left with 1. Put it here. 17 minus 8, 9. 1 minus 6 impossible. Borrow 1 from here. You're left with 2. Put it here. 10. Exactly. Borrow another one. You're left with 9. 11. Okay. 11 minus 6, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. And 2 minus 1, 1. Do you understand? You can do it separately. 3.0282. Can do it here. 3.0282 minus 1 point what? 4683. Borrow 1 from here if 7. 12 minus 3, 9. Borrow 1 from here if 1. 17 minus 8, 9. 1 minus 6 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here if 2. Put it here. 10. Borrow 1 here if 9. Put the 1 here. That's 11 minus 6, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. And 2 minus 1, 2. Do you understand? So you really don't need to make your work rough here. You can do the subtraction in a jotter separately so that your work will be neat. And that's what? That is, what do we have now?
1.5999.
Beautiful. 1.5 what?
99.
Check that again.
1.5599.
Beautiful. 1.5599. So now the cube root of that, cube root of 1067 divided by 29.4 will now be what? That result divided by 3. 1.5599 divided by 3. And that means 3 in 1, 0. Put the point and carry the 1 here. 3 in 15, 5. 3 in 5, 1. You are left with what? 2. 3 in 29 is what?
2 in 29. Okay, 2 in 29. 5.
No, 3 in 29 is 9
so
now.
it's 9.
3 times 9 is 27.
Yes.
You don't read your time. You haven't mastered the time table.
No, I've mastered it.
You should say it without counting your fingers. But it's okay. Just make sure you don't miss it. 3 in 29, 9. 3 times 9 is 27. We are left with 2. 3 in 29 now is what?
9.
9. We are left with 2. You write the answer to the value to 4 decimal places. 3 in 2 impossible. Add a 0. It becomes 20. 3 in 20, 6. So when you approximate this to 4 decimal places, it will become what? That you add 1 to this one. You add 1 to this now, it becomes 10. So 0, carry the 1 here. This will be 10, to carry 1 here, 2. Exactly?
Yes,
5. So that it will be 0.5200. So that's what you write instead of that value, 5200. Do you understand? So now the final answer, that means the cube root of 1067 divided by what?
divided by
29.4
anti-log 52
is equal
under
to
0.
good anti-log 52 under 0. Let's go to, no, it's on the right here. We go to the table of anti-logarithms. 52 under 0. Can you read that yourself? 52 under 0.
2211.
52 under 0. That's what?
2311.
3311. Beautiful. 3311. What do I write?
2
Mhm.
2
Mhm.
2
The value is 3311. How do you write anti-log?
Okay, that
3.311 times 10 raised to the power what?
0.
10 raised to the power, whatever the characteristic here is, 10 raised to the power 0. Exactly, 10 raised to the power. And you
When
know
I
that
did things like this in class, Mrs. Now said that I should not put this on it, but because what she knew.
it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
I told all my classmates that saying that I should clean this away.
Don't mind them. They don't. Did they get a different answer from what you got? It's the same thing now. You should clean this one. No. If you are doing it this way, you must put the 10 raised to the power, whatever this characteristic is. Exactly. That's how it's done in some textbooks. Exactly. The thing is that you will not miss it. If you do it this way, you can never miss it. Let them do
But
whatever.
she may circle this place.
No, that's the right thing. It's correct. Except except she's not familiar with that. It's correct. I'm going to show you. It's correct. Exactly.
She said I should prove it.
You show her now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you show her. I'm going to show you what you show her. Now, look at that. That will be 3.311 times 1. 10 raised to the power 1 is 1. So the answer is 3.311. And that's the final answer. Do you understand? So let's go back to the questions and see the option that matches that. Which of the options matches that? Can you see? Whatever if you do it that way, you'll get it. You can't miss it. The answer is C. So let's go to the next one, number 2. Using tables of logarithm. Using tables. Okay, using tables. Use tables to evaluate the cube root of what? We're still going back to. We're going to use that table again. The cube root of what? Use tables to evaluate the cube root of what?
6.828.
6 point what?
828.
838. Exactly. No,
Yes.
6.838 raised to the power 3. Is that cube root of fifth root? That's the fifth root of 6.838 raised to the power 3. In this exam, you are not allowed to use a calculator. Everything you do, exactly, is without a calculator. If you need to calculate anything, you use you use a 4-figure table. Exactly. So let's go. Number, logarithm.
So move on this way.
Sorry? No, let's go. Number, logarithm. It's just 1 now. Fifth root of 6.838 raised to the power 3. The number is what? 6 point what?
828.
83. What's the characteristic of its logarithm? 0. So we have 0 point. Let's go to the table, to the 4-figure table. No, don't worry. Let's go to the. No, that's the time. That was when I saved. Now let's go to the table. The table of logarithms. What logarithm are we checking now?
Log 68 under 3 difference 8.
Beautiful. 68 under 3 difference 8. Let's check that together. 68 under 3. What's 68 under 3?
68 under 3.
68 under 3 is what?
8344.
68 under 3 is 8344. Let's write that down. 83. You write that in your jotter. 8344. Now, difference 8. Let's go to the difference 8. 68 under 3. What's difference 8? Difference 8 is what?
5.
5. Beautiful. 5. Difference 8 is 5.
8349.
8349. So that's 0.83. 0.8349. So what else? We now go to 6.838 raised to the power 3. Do you understand? 6.838 raised to the power 3 means that logarithm multiplied by 3. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
6.838
But this
cube. That means what?
That's 3 times 9.
Yes, now 3 times 9, 27. 7 carry 2. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, 14, carry 1. 3 times 3, 9, pay attention, plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1. Exactly. 3 times 8, 24, plus 1, 25, 5, carry, put the point here, carry 2. 3 times 0, 0, plus 2, 2.
2.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So that's what? 2.504. Now to the fifth root. fifth root of that
Divided
will now
by
be what? Fifth root of 6 point. Fifth root of the cube of 6.838 will now be that value divided by 5. Look at that. What do we now have? 5 into 0. Point, carry the 2 here. 5 into 25. Now you just leave your eye and face here for once. Now 5
5
into
25 5.
5. 5 in 0 0. 5 in 4 0.
Zero.
5 in carry the 4 here. 5 in 47.
How do you get the 4?
Yes, and 5 in 25 5. 5 in this 0
0.
0. 5 in 4 0. Don't you have to do that? Then you carry 4. 47. 5 in 47.
4. How you carry 4?
You carry 4 now. You are dividing each of the digits by 5. Don't just jump to 5 in 47. No. 5 in 4 0. Carry the 4 to the 7. It becomes 47. 5 in 47. 5 in 47 is 9. 5 times 9 45. You are left with 2. 5 in 2 impossible. Add the 0. 5 in 25. 5 in 24 rather. Do you understand? So if you write this correct to 4 decimal places, it will still be 0.5009. Exactly. You must check the 5th decimal place so that you know whether you have to add 1 to this number or not. Do you understand? So, and that's it. So that therefore means what? The 5th root of what? We are not talking.
The 5th root
of 6.838 raised to power 3.
Antilog.
Yes.
50 under 9.
Beautiful. 50 under 9. Let's go to the table of antilogarithms. You check that and tell me. 50. Is that 50 under 9? 50 under 0 difference 9.
50 under 0.
Look at how you make mistakes. 50 under 0 difference 9.
3162.
50 under 0 is 3162 and difference 9 is what?
Difference 9. 7.
7. So that's what? 316. Is that correct?
Yes.
3169. So what do we write?
3.169 times 10
3.169 times 10 is power 0. Beautiful.
equals 2.
And the answer is what? 3.169. Because 10 is power 0 is 1. So it's the same thing. Good. Now let's go back to the questions. See the option that matches that. What's the option that matches that?
C.
3.169.
2.1
A. That's option C. We go to number 3. Number 3. What's question 3? Can you read that?
Question 3. Convert 6173 to base 8.
6.6173 base 8 to what?
To number in base
To a number in base 10. How do you do that? Change to base. To change the base 10, you use this trick 0, 1, 2, 3. And that means what? 6 times 8 raised to power 3 plus what? Plus 6. No, plus 1 times, sorry. Plus 1 times 8 raised to power what?
2.
2.
Plus 7 times 8 raised to power 1.
Beautiful.
Plus 3 times 8 raised to power 0.
Beautiful, beautiful. This is 2. Let's write it well. Exactly. So what do we have when we do that? That's equal to what?
6 times
8 raised to power 3 is what? 8 times 8, 64. 64 times 8, you cannot use a calculator. 8 times 4, 32. 2 carry 3. 8 times 6, 48 plus 3, 51. That's 512. Exactly. 512 times 6. That's what it was. 6 times 2, 12. Carry 1. 6 times 1, 6 times 2.
Okay.
Don't you understand what we are doing, Uncle?
I understand. This 512. I thought you said 5126.
No. 6 times 2, 12. 2 carry 1. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 6 times 5, 30. Do you understand? So that's what's 3072 plus. What's the next one?
1 times 8 raised to power 2.
8 raised to power 2 is 64. 1 times 64 is 64. Plus 7 times 8 raised to power 1. 8 raised to power 1 is 8. Times 7 is what?
8 times 7.
Is
8.
what?
56.
Beautiful. 8 raised to power 0 is what?
8 raised to power 0 is 1. That's
Times
3
3.
times 1, 3.
Beautiful. So what do we have? Let's add 3072 plus 64 plus 56 plus 3. What do we have?
That's
6, 12, 15. 5 carry 1. 8 plus 6
8 plus 6, 14.
plus 5.
19.
9 carry 1. 1 plus 0.
1.
3 plus nothing. 3. And the answer is what?
2.
3195 base 10. Even if you don't put any base, it's in base 10. When you don't put a base, if they don't put a base, that means it's in base 10. Exactly.
Yes.
If it's not base 10, they'll put whatever the base is. What's the option that matches that?
This one.
Say it. Is that A or B or C?
B.
B. Beautiful. We go to number 4. Read the question.
0 point.
Read the question, read the instruction.
Without using tables, evaluate.
What are you? Why are you clear? Why did you have to clear your throat?
My thought
Didn't you have lunch? Haven't you had lunch?
about
Let's go. Yeah, so let's go.
without using tables, evaluate 0
Beautiful.
point
0
027
0.027 raised by what?
raised power one
Minus 1 over 3
1 over 3
times what?
times 0.09
0.09 raised
raised
to power
power
what?
3 over 2
Raised to power 3 over 2.
3 over 2.
Don't put decimal point. Raised to power
3 over
3
2.
over 2. Now let's see that. Let's be sure that's 3. Yes, that's 3 over 2. Raised to power 3 over 2. Now what does that become? We can write it this way. It makes it's easier if we do this. 27 over
1,000.
beautiful. That's 27,000 raised to power minus 1 over 3 times what?
Times
9 over what?
1,000.
Ah,
Not 9 over
are you guessing?
no
9 over
100
100 raised to power what?
raised power 3 over 2.
3 over 2. Beautiful. Exactly. Now what does that mean? What do you do? Where do we go from there?
That's 0
No, that's the cube root. Raised to power minus 1 over 3 means cube root of what? 27
27
over what?
over 1,000
Cube root of 27 over 1,000
times
what? No, cube root of 27 over 1,000 raised to power minus 1. Don't forget that. Times what?
times
Square root of 9 over
9
100
over 100
raised to power what?
raised power 3
Raised to power 3. Beautiful. Let me write this well. Raised to power what?
3
Raised to power 3. Beautiful. Do you understand? And that's equal to what? What's the cube root of 27?
cube root of 27 9
3.
sorry.
Cube root of 1,000 is what?
Cube root of 1,000 is 5.
10. The number you multiply by itself in 3 places. That's a word that is the cube root of, to get 1,000, that's the cube root of 1,000. So that's 3 over 10 raised to power minus 1 times what? What's the square root of 9?
Square root of 9 3
3. Over what's the square root of 100?
10.
10. And the whole of that raised to power 3. Do you understand? So that becomes what? You know, raised to power minus 1 means 1 over 3 over 10 raised to power 1. Do you know that? Times 3 raised to power 3 is 27. 10 raised to power 3 is 1,000. Do you understand? And this one means 1 divided by 3 over 10 raised to power 1 is the same as 3 over 10 times 27 over 1,000. I'm showing the simple steps so that you don't get confused. That will be 1 times what? If you change this division to multiplication, what happens to this fraction?
1 times.
1
times 3, 10 over 3.
10 over 3 times what?
1,000.
Ah.
That time 27 over 1,000.
That one will not change now because we didn't change
No.
any division to multiplication. Exactly. 3 here 1, 3 in 27,
3 27 9.
9. 10 here, we can just do 0 cancel 0. And what's the answer now?
100.
Is that 100 or 1 over
100?
100? 9 over 100. That's 9 over 100. Exactly.
Yes.
And what's the option that matches? Okay,
Zero.
it will be in decimal point
0.
because the question was in 0.09. What's the option that matches that?
0.0 E.
E, beautiful. We go to number 5,
Should we
0.09.
label the answer there?
No, we don't need to. Let's just keep going. Okay, maybe so that it will be easy when we are next week.
And the
Okay, number 3 was what?
number 3.
3195.
Yeah, it was
That's B. 2 was what? 3.169. That's A. And 1 was what? 3.311. That's C. So let's go to number 5. Read the question.
2 was.
I've marked it. I'll
Okay,
put the option here.
yeah.
I've written the option. Now number 5 is what?
I
the
think 2
question.
was A.
No, 2 was not A.
Yes, it
2
was
A. I wrote it. I wrote A now. 2A, 1C,
Yes, 2A.
2A. That's it now.
Yeah.
So let's go. Read question 5 quickly.
Question 5. Simplify bar
Bar 5.
0.31
Bar
divided by 7.
5.31 divided by 7. I hope you still remember this.
Yes.
Divided by 7. How do we adjust bar 5.31 so that it will be
Number
divisible
line.
by? We don't need to do the number line. Just tell me the answer. What do I write?
7
That's 7 or bar 7
bar 7
plus what?
plus 2.
Beautiful, plus 2. You just put plus 2.31 over 7. So you say 7 in bar 7. That's bar 1 point. You now say 7 in 23. You don't have to say 7 in 2. Just say 7 in 23. Do you understand? 7 in 23 is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. You're left with what? 2. That makes that what? That makes that what?
That makes it 3.
21. 7 in 21. 3. And the answer is by 1.33. What's the option that matches that?
The option that matches that is D.
D. Beautiful. Let's write down number 6. What's number 6? Read the question.
Number 6. 4 1 6 4
Express. You don't always read the instruction.
4 1 4 6 4
0.086 to
two
significant figures. What does it become to 2 significant figures?
9 is 4 1 6 4 point 1 4.
That's wrong. They didn't say to 2 decimal places. They said to 2 significant figures.
Okay,
how many significant figures are in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If the zeros are written before or after numbers that are not zeros, that's when you consider them. You don't consider them significant. But if they are written in between numbers that are not zeros, you consider them significant. So here you consider all of them significant. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, and you need just how many? 2. So you check the first 2. 1, 2. The third one, is it up to 5 or more?
It's more.
More. So that means you have to add 1 to this one, and it comes to the 4 remains, and every other digit will become zeros. Exactly. And you know that after a decimal point, you can cancel all the zeros. Can you cancel these ones?
Yes.
These ones? No, you can only cancel the ones after the decimal point. So the answer is what? 4200 to what? 2 significant figures. Do you understand?
Yes.
You didn't say the correct answer to that. Do you know? I don't know why you are saying the wrong thing. 41200 to 2 significant figures. Do you understand? What's the option that matches that?
420. C.
C. Option C. We go to number 7. What does that say? What's the question?
If 4 is per x equals 0.125 5x.
Find x. 0.125 is the same as 125. Let's even do that. Let's try that so that you get it. This simply means 4 raised to power x equals 125,000. Do you understand? That's 125 by 1,000. So what do? 5 here 25. Look at that. What is wrong? Are you tired? Now let's go. 5 here 25. 5 in 10 is 2. 5 in 0 is 0. 5 is 0. 5 in 25.
5.
Beautiful. 5 in 200. 5 in 20. 4. 5 in 0 is 0. 5 here 1. 5 here
8.
8. Beautiful. So that means 4 raised to power x equals what? 1 over 8. Now we can write 4 and this 1 over 8 as powers of 2. 4 is what? 2 raised to power 2. So 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x will be 2 raised to power 2x. And this one will be 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Do you understand? So that simply means 2 raised to power 2x equals 2 raised to power minus 3. I hope you know I got 2 raised to power 2x. 4 raised to power x means 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x, which is same as 2 raised to power 2x. Do you understand? Are you sure? Beautiful. So 1 over 2 raised to power 3 will be 2 raised to power minus 3. What does that mean? That therefore means that 2x equals minus 3. And we divide through by 2 to get x, which means x equals what? Minus 3 over 2. So what's the option? Oh, they wrote it that way. Minus 1 number 1 over 2. What's the option that matches that?
A.
We go to the next, which is what? Number...
I think this 3 over 2, yeah.
No, that's 3 over 2. It's supposed to be minus 3 over 2 now.
Okay,
so A is the answer. We go to number 8. Don't be confused, uncle. What does number 8 say?
Bar.
You don't always see the instructions.
Simplify. Bar
5.3 minus what? Bar 7.4. Are you there? So let's go. What do? 3 minus 4. That's impossible. You have to borrow 1 from here. When you borrow 1 from bar 5, you will left with bar 6. Exactly. That one you borrow, you put here 13 minus 6. Yes, that's what you do. That's how you borrow when you do something like this. We borrow 1 minus 5 minus 1. That's minus 6 now. We've done it before. Minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. I've taught you the concept now. Exactly, it's the same. If you borrow from bar 5, you'll be left with bar 6 now because minus 5 minus 1 will be minus 6, and that's bar 6. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you sure? So that means what? Put that one here, that's 13. 13 plus 4. 13 minus 4. 9. Bar 6 minus bar 7, which is minus 6 minus minus 7. And that's what?
That's
minus 6 plus 7. And that's 7 minus 6 plus 7 minus 6.
That's
which is the same as what? 1. Exactly. So that's 1.9. What's the option that matches that? B. Exactly. B. So the next one quickly. What's the next one?
The next one, find the number whose logarithm.
That's number
9.
Find the number whose logarithm is what?
To base 10 is
2.6025. Look at that. A particular number, the logarithm of a particular number is 2.6025. What is that number? Exactly. You say, let the number be x. That means log x base 10 is what? 2.6025. We know the logarithm of the number, but we want to find the number itself. What do? We find the anti-logarithm of 2.6025. Do you understand? So that would be no anti-log. When you find the anti-log,
that's 2 difference 5.
Let's go to the table of anti-logarithms. We're there already. 60 under 2 difference 5. Let's see that. Let's check that together. 60 under 2. What's 60 under 2?
60 under 2.
What do you say? 60 under 2 is what?
60 under 2 is 3990.
Yes, 3990 or 3999.
3990.
There's no zero in it now. 60 under 2.
2999.
3999. Exactly. Difference 5. Exactly. Difference 5. Let's go to difference 5. What's difference 5?
5.
Difference 5 is what? 5. So what will it become? Plus 5. Let's check that again. Difference 5. That's 5. So 9 plus 5.
4.
14. 4 carry 1. 10. 0 carry 1. 10. 0 carry 1. That's 40. 4004. And how do we write that? 4.004 times 10 is by what?
5 times 10 to the power 2.
2 times 10 is by. And what's that? You know 10 is by 2 is 100.
Yes,
That means
40.04.
Times 10 is by 2. 4.004 times 10 is by 2 is what?
That's
10 is by 2 means you move decimal forward twice. Do you know?
Yes.
1, 2. So what's the answer?
That's 400.4.
You were saying something else. 4.0. No, sorry. 400. That's 400.4. Do you understand? If you multiply by 100, that means you are moving decimal forward twice. Multiply by 10, move decimal forward once. Multiply by 1000, move decimal forward thrice. 3 times. Do you understand? Yeah. So let's go back to the questions and see the option that matches that. That's number 9. What's the option that matches that?
Number 9. The option that matches E.
E. Beautiful. Now to the next one, which is number 10. That's here, number 10. Let's go. Read that question.
If 27.
27 raised to power what?
Raised by
X plus 2 divided by 9 raised to power what?
X
plus 1 is equal to what?
Equals 3
raised to power 2x. And what's the question? Find x. What do? You can see that we can write all of the numbers as powers of 3. You can write 27 as a power of 3. You can write 9 as a power of 3. And 3 here is already a power of 3. Do you understand? So, what's 27 as a power of 3?
3.
3 raised to power 3. That's 3 raised to power 3 into bracket x plus 2 divided by what? What's 9 as a power of 3?
3.
What are you saying now? 9 as a power of 3 is what?
3 raised to power 2.
3 raised to power 2 into bracket x plus 1 equals what? 3 raised to power 2x. Do you understand? What does this become? 3 raised to power, open the bracket here. What do you have?
3x plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 6.
Plus 6. Divided by what? 3 raised to power what? Open the bracket here.
2x plus 1. 2.
2x plus 2 equals what?
3 raised to power 2x.
Beautiful. 3 raised to power 2x. Now, when you are dividing, what do you do to the powers?
You
subtract.
now.
3 raised to power 3x plus 6 minus, you must put it in bracket, 2x plus 2 equals what? 3 raised to power 2x. Do you understand?
Yes, because of this one is the same
base. But before we do that, let's simplify this first so that you don't get confused. That's 3 raised to power 3x plus 6. Open the bracket here. What do you have when you open the bracket?
2x plus
minus 2x.
plus 2
Is that plus 2? Minus times plus 2.
minus
When you open the brackets, minus times 2x, that's minus 2x. Minus times plus 2, that's minus 2. Do you understand?
Yes.
Equals what?
equals
3 raised to the power 2x. Exactly. That means what? 3 raised to the power 3x minus 2x is what? X. Do you understand? That's x. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that's x plus 4. And that's equal to what? 3 raised to the power 2x. Do you understand? So now you can equate the powers. That means x plus 4 equals what?
x plus 4 equals
2x. Do you understand? So that means 4 equals, take x to the right hand side and it becomes minus x. 2x minus x. Do you understand? Which means 4 equals what? X. And that's the same as x equals 4. What's the option that matches that?
X equals 4. The option that matches it is
The option that matches that is number 10. We are doing number 10.
10. D.
D. The option that matches that is D. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Alright, and that's it. For the next one, number 11. This is number 10. So can you read the question? Number 11.
Simplify 16 raised to the power.
Simplify 16 raised to the power.
Simplify. Can we use another color? Is the pencil down?
Don't you like white? I think the white is cool. Let's go read it again. Simplify what?
No, white. Almost everything.
Okay. Simplify what? Don't worry, we'll change it later.
Simplify. 16 raised to the power
16 raised to the power minus
1 over 2 times 4 raised to the power minus 1 over 2 times 27
over 2.
times 27 raised to the power minus
27
1 over 3. That's that I was so tired. That was what I missed to do.
Okay. It's good to know you are fit now. Now that will be equal
No,
to.
it's not it good. That's
I said it's good to know you are fit now. You are fit. You are strong now. Now this means square root of 16 raised to the power minus 1 times square root of 4 raised to the power minus 1. You know square root. You can put the 2 here. Times
square
cube
root
root of 7.
27
Cube root of 27 rather.
and 1.
Raised to the power 1. Not a 1.
Raised to the power
That's
one.
space will be too small. Square root of 16. Square root of
16 raised to the power minus 1 times square root of 4 raised to the power minus 1 times cube root of 27 raised to the power 1.
Okay, this is 16.
16.
And that will be equal to what's the square root of 16?
16,
That's
4.
minus 1. Square root of 4.
That's 2 raised to the power minus 1.
Cube root of 27 is
3
3.
raised to the power
3
1
is power 1 is still 3. So that's the same as 1 over
1
4
over
is power
4
1, which is 1 over 4 times 1 over 2 is power 1, which is 2. Exactly.
Yes,
Times
1
3 is power 1
over
is 3. So what do we have? That's 3 over 8.
8.
And what's the option that matches that?
That's number option A.
Now to the next one.
How do you get it? Okay, 4 times
Yeah,
8.
1 times 1,
Yes,
1 times 3, 3. 4 times 2,
2
8.
the numerator and
Must buy the numerators and multiply the denominators.
yes.
Because you cannot count anything. Now, 12, what does that say?
Evaluate log
0.25 to what base? Base 8. Can
8.
you say that? 0.25 means 25
over 100.
100 to base 8.
8.
And that simply means 25 over 25
25
over
4.
That means log 1 over 4 base 8. Do you understand?
Yes.
We're not cross multiplying anything, or what were you going to say?
I did not say equals multiply. I said equals.
Okay, equals that's log 1 over 4 base 8, which means log 1 over 4 over log 8. Exactly.
Yes.
Look at this, 1 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2 raised to the power 2, which is 2 raised to the power minus 2. So I'm going to write log 1 over 4 as log 2 raised to the power minus 2. And log 8 will be what?
I've done it in that.
Oh, good. Log 8 will be log 2 raised to the power 3 because 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. Do you understand?
Yes. I've done it in decimals.
Oh, that's good. That means minus 2 log 2 over
3
3 log 2. Log 2 here 1, log 2 here 1, and the answer is what? Minus 2
over 3.
What's the option that matches that?
B.
B, beautiful. So the next one.
Solve the equation.
Solve the equation 9 raised to the power y equals what? 1 over 81. Exactly. This simply means 9 raised to the power y equals 1 over 9 raised to the power 2. And that means what?
9 is 1
equals
over
9 is what?
9 is power minus 2.
Do you understand? No, don't write on.
That's y equals minus 2.
Beautiful. And therefore, y equals minus 2.
8.
That's A. We'll go to the next one, which is number 14.
14. Yeah.
Simplify by 1.6 times 9. Okay. You can just do it here times 9. 9 times 6 is
Sorry, C. Number 13 is C.
Number 13 minus 2.
Yes, C.
You said A now.
And
That's
number 12 is B.
We wrote that. So now, by 1, that's 9 times 6 is 4. 4 carry 5. 9 times minus 1 is minus 9 plus 5.
Plus
Minus
5.
4. So that's about 4.4. What's the option that matches that?
About 4.4 is that's option E.
Option E. Now the next one, number 15. What's number 15? Find n if 9 raised to the power 1 plus n
Times 3
is
equals
equal to 27 raised to the power minus n. That means what? You can write all of them as powers of 3. Okay, you can write 9 and 27 as powers of 3. So that's 3 raised to the power 2 into bracket 1 plus n
times 3
3 is equal to 3 raised to the power 1
times
equals
2
3 raised to
is
the power
power
3
2 into bracket minus n.
You understand?
Yes.
Into bracket minus n. Exactly, and that means what? 3
3
raised
is
to the
power
power
2
2 plus
plus
2n
2n
times
times 3 is power 1 equals 3 is minus
3.
3n.
Now that means
3 is power 2 plus 2n plus 1 equals 3 is power minus 3n.
now you can equate the powers.
Yes.
That means
2 plus 2n plus 1 equals minus 3n.
That means
That means this
yes. 2 plus 1 is 3.
3 yes
3
plus 2n equals minus 3n.
Bring minus 3 into the left hand side and take 3 to the right hand side.
That's minus
So you
2
have 2n
minus 2n
equals
equals minus 3.
and that means what?
5n equals minus 3.
Divide 3 by 5. Which means n
N
equals
equals
what?
minus 3 over 5.
And which option that matches that?
Minus
That's
3
number
over 5. Option wait number what? Well, 50. That D.
Now to the next one, number 16. Solve the equation. You're not reading the question.
Solve the equation.
Read it down. 4
Okay,
is
solve
power 3x
the
equals
equation 4 is
minus
power
64
3
equals 0.
minus 64. 4 is to power 3x minus 64 equals 0.
That means 4 is about 3
Minus 64 minus 64.
I know, I read that already.
Okay.
You now move this minus 64 to the right hand
Yes,
side.
that's
It becomes
minus
plus 64. So that means 4
4
is
is
about
power
3x.
3x
Now you can
equals
write the 64 as a power of 4, which is 4 is about 3. And that therefore means
3x equals
3. Divide through by 3. No, that's a book, not a jotter. That's an exercise. And that means x equals 1. Look at that. X equals 1. Down to number 17. What's the option that matches that?
A.
A.
Wait,
What's number 17? Yes.
why is okay 3? Okay, if the bases are the same, you equate the powers.
Yeah. Number 17. What does that say?
2.1998
is the logarithm of a number. Use the anti-logarithm table to find the number. So
2 point.
the logarithm of a particular number. To know that number, that means let's do it this way. Let the number be x. Log x base 10 is 2.1998. So that means x should be, you go to the table of anti-logarithms. and check anti-log 19 under 9 difference 8. Do you understand?
Under 9 difference 8.
Difference 8. So let's say that 19 under 9. This is about the third note you use, right?
Yes.
I wish all of that is in your in this small air.
Yes.
You'll be blasting everything at school. Everything should be in this head.
All of them is there. That's why I said to the minus.
Oh, that's good. That's good. 19 under 9 difference 8. 19 under 9 difference 8. Anti-log 19 under 9. This is 19 under 9. What's that? 1581. Can you see it? 1581 difference 8. 1581 19 under 9 difference 8. Difference 8 is 6 here. Difference 8 is 3. So that's 1584. And you know we write it as 1.584. You don't say times 10 is power what?
Times 10 is power minus. Times 12 is power, so 1.
10 is power.
Ten
The
is
characteristic
power.
of the
So
logarithm
2.
10 is power 2. Times 10 is power 2. Have you forgotten that?
No, I've not forgotten.
Times 10 is power 2. And what does that mean? You multiply by 10 is power 2. That means you move decimal forward twice.
That's 58.
Good. That's no 150. You move decimal forward twice. What's 58? 1, 2. That's 158.4. Exactly. What's the option that matches the 98 verse? Hold on, let's go back there. Now, what's the option that matches that? That's number 7.
That's number B.
Option B. 158.4. Now to number 18. What does that say? Simplify bar 3.7 plus what? Bar 2.9. Are you there? So what's that? 7 plus 9, 16. 6 carry 1. 1 plus minus 3, that's 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2, that's minus 2 minus 2, and that's bar 4. Minus 4, which is bar 4. What's the option that matches that? Bar 4.6.
Bar 4.6.
We go to number 19. What does that say?
Okay, 19.
Solve for x
if log
216
base y equals 3.
First of all, that means what? Y raised to power 3 equals 206. You write it in the next one. Exactly?
Yes.
Or you can write 2 raised to power 216 equals y raised to power 3. Exactly?
Yes.
Exactly. So you find the cube root of both sides. Cube root of y cube is y equals the cube root of 216. The cube root of 216 is 6. Exactly. The number you multiply by it 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. So what's the correct option? What's the option that matches that?
E.
Option E. We go to the next. What's the next one?
20.
Beautiful. 20.
It's just one more 10 to go.
10 more to go.
10
I think
more
not
to
40. Let's go.
No,
If
30.
x square equals what?
Equals 81.
81 raised to power
1 over 2.
Find, okay, if x square equals that, x equals dash. So what does that mean? First of all, write this as a fraction.
That's 3 over 2.
X square equals 81 raised to power 3 over 2.
That's x
square is equal to the square root of 81 raised to power 3. Are you sure you understand that?
Yes. This is law
When
of
the
this.
yeah, beautiful. When the power is a fraction,
Yes.
that's what you do. Square root of 81 is 9. 9 raised to power 3. Do you understand?
Yes.
So what does that mean?
That's
9 raised to power 3 is what?
now by
This is what, look at that. This is what we're going to do.
times 8.
Hold on. No, don't write. You don't need to write 9 raised to power 3. Let's do it this way. X square equals 9 raised to power 3. So x itself will be the square root of 9 raised to power 3. Do you understand? If x square equals 4, x is the square root of 4. Exactly. So that simply means, you know, square root means raised to power half. So that means 9 raised to power 3 raised to power half. Do you understand? Which means 9 raised to power 3 times 1 over 2. Exactly.
Yes, that's 2 over 2.
That's, oh, no. Why am I even going back? This simply means square root of 9 raised to power half. Do you understand? Square root of 9 raised to power 3. Exactly. If x square is equal to y, x will be the square root of y. If x cube is equal to w, x will be the cube root of w. If x raised to power 5 is equal to q, what is x?
X equals to
5
50
of
of
q.
Q.
That means you are finding fifth root of both sides. Fifth root of x cube raised to power 5 is x. Fifth root of cube is fifth root of cube. Do you understand? So this one here, if you want to find, so this will be what? The square root of 9 raised to power 3. That's finding the square root of both sides. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 9 raised to power 3 is this. Do you understand? So this is the same as saying, I can write it this way. Square root of 9 raised to power 3. Do you understand? You can write it that way too. And what is the square root of 9? 3. That will be 3 raised to power 3. Is it raised to power 2 or raised to power 3?
Raised to power 3.
And that's what?
That's 27.
X equals 27. Which of the options matches that? 20.
D.
Good. Now we go to 21. What does that say? Which of the following is the logarithm of 8.2? Log x base 10 equals 8.2.
Log this thing.
X is 10 power 8.2. So we'll find the anti-log of what? 8.2. So let's just put it that way. Log x base 10 equals 8.2. That means x equals, that will be the anti-log of 8.2. Do you understand?
Yes.
So we go to the table of anti-logarithms. We are there already. Let's go.
Is it anti-log or log?
No. Which of the following is the logarithm of 8.2? Oh, log. No, that's not what I should do. Which of the following is the logarithm of 8.2? That means I'm just finding log 8.2. Exactly. I'm just finding log 8.2 base 10. Exactly. I'm checking using the table. They didn't say find the number whose logarithm is 8.2. Exactly. So I'm checking from the table. You go to the table of logarithms. Okay. That's 8 under. Now, if you are finding logarithm of 8.2, what is the characteristic? That means number is 8.2. I want to find the logarithm. Characteristic is 0, yes. So that's 0 point what? Now, log 82 under 0. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
82 under 0. What's that? Can you read it for me?
82 under 0, 90.
82 under 0.
9031. 82. 9138.
You have to read it 3 times. 9138.
I'm not seeing very well.
Okay, so that's it. What's the option that matches that?
I've not.
Okay, let's go to the options. 21. C. 21. 0.9138. Beautiful. C. Option C. Now to the next one, 22. Let's go. What does that say? What is the value of 10 raised to power
4.95?
9517. Now look at that. This one simply means, you know, if we find the logarithm of a number, log x base 10. If log x base 10 equals 4.9517, that means x itself will be what? 10 raised to power 4.9517. We change this to index form. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand? So that means this 10, the logarithm of x base 10 is 4.9517. So what is x? X is going to be the anti-logarithm of what? 4.9517. Exactly.
That's 95. That one difference.
So what is the value of? So we're finding the anti-logarithm of 4.9517. We go to the table of anti-logarithms.
Is that logarithm?
Yes.
What is the value?
Yes, now. What's the value of 10 raised to power? Because if log x base 10 is equal to 4.9517, x itself is 10 raised to power 4.9517. Exactly. You know the logarithm of x. So how do you find x? You find the anti-log of this number. But when you write it in index form, this is what it will look like. So we are finding anti-log 95 under 1 difference 7. Do you understand? So let's go. The number will be anti-log 95 under 1 difference 7. What's it? 95 under 1. What's 95 under 1?
95.
95 under 1.
8147.
95. Okay, 814. No, that's 96. 95 under 1.
95.
Under 1.
8933.
Beautiful. 8933. Now let's go to difference 7. What's difference 7? Because we want 95 in the middle. 27 is what? 7, 8, 9, 14. Can you see that? That's 7, 4, 9, 8. And how do I write that?
That's 4.
Antilog.
Antilog
8.947 times 10 is about what?
4.
Times 10 power. Do you know that, or you just said what I said?
I know it.
Beautiful, you do that. So
this.
now, times 10 is about 4 means you move decimal forward 4 times.
Yes.
Exactly. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The point is here now, so you put a 0 here.
Yes, that's
Happy know that. That's
yes,
8, 9, 4, 7, 0. That's the number.
If there is 5, with 0, 0.
Yes. So let's go back there. What's the option that matches that? Number 22. What's the option that matches that?
Number A.
8, 9, 4, 7, 0, 4. Option A. Now 23. What's 23?
23.
Yeah. Express 913
as the power of 10. That's 9103.
That means, look at that. This simply means, as a power of 10, you want to say 10 raised to power something. Let that number be x. 10 raised to power x is equal to 913. So if we write it in logarithm form, what will it be? Write it in logarithmic form, what will it become?
9103.
Write this one in logarithmic form, what will it become?
Okay, that's an x
Log 913
base 10 equals x.
If I write it back in index form, that's what I get. 10 raised to power x. 10 raised to power x equals 913. Exactly. Yes. So that means we are finding the logarithm of what? 913.
Yes. That's the difference between logarithms and indices.
Sorry?
Difference between logarithms and indices.
I don't know what you're talking about. They said find the express 913 as the power of 10. Is that
no, the topic of this one.
No, this is just, evaluations using logarithm tables. Express 913 as the power of 10. So you say let that power of 10 be 10 raised to power x. If 10 raised to power x equals 913, that means if you write this in logarithmic form, it will be log 913 base 10 equals x. So that means x is the logarithm of what? 913. Exactly. So we just find that. Exactly.
Yes.
We now find that. Let me write it that way. Let 10 raised to power x be equal to. Let 10 raised to power x be equal to 913. So if you write that in logarithmic form, it becomes log 913 base 10 equals x. Exactly. So x is simply the logarithm of 913. So let's check that. Let's go to the table. Log 913. That's log 91. What's going to be the characteristic? That means x is equal to what? Characteristic of 913 is what? If number log 913, how would that be? 2 points. Exactly. So 91 under 3. Let's go. Let's check that together. Come close. 0, 1, 2, 3. 9605. Have you seen it?
Yes.
9605. So that's 2.9605. And x is 2.96. Do you understand what I'm doing?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good. Let's go to the
that's
next.
10 raised to power 2.
No, the answer is 2.9605.
Yes, the 10 raised to power 2.
No, there's no 10. They said
this one, the answer thing I'm saying. This
no, wait. They said express 913 as a power of what?
As a power of 10.
So that means x is
Yes.
2.9605. So
what
that means
saying that in that place.
So that means 10 raised to power x will now be what? 10 raised to power 2
points.
That's correct. I got what you're saying. 9605. And what's the option that matches that?
That's C.
Option C. We go to the next, number 24. Exactly. What does that say? Simplify. That's a piece of cake. 25 raised to power what? 1 over 2 times 8 raised to power what?
Times 64.
24. What are you saying?
24.
We are reading number 24, young man.
I thought
Come on. 25 is power number 2 times 8 is power what?
2 over 3.
Minus 2 over 3. Can't you do minus? You understand? So this means what? Square root of 25 raised to power 1 times what?
Times 2.
Cube root of 8 raised to power minus 2. Do you understand?
Yes.
Which is what? Square root of 25 is 5. 5 raised to power 1. Cube root of 8 is 2. 2 raised to power minus 2. And that means what?
That's
5 times 1 over 2 raised to power minus 2 is 1 over 2 raised to power 2. Which means 5 times 1 over 4. And that's 5 5/4, which is 1/4. Or if you see 5/4, you write, what's the answer? Correct?
1/A.
A, beautiful. We go to what? 26. Simplify. No, we go to 25. Evaluate 27. Simplify 27 raised by 2/3 times what?
64 raised to power minus 1/2
All over, yes, 2 raised to power minus 2. And that will be equal to what? Cube root of 27 raised to power 2 times square root of 64 raised to power minus 1. Let me write this cube root properly. All over what?
All over 2.
2 raised to power minus 2. And what does that mean?
Equal
Cube root of 27 is 3. That's 3 raised to power 2 times. Square root of 64 is 8. And that's 8 raised to power minus 1 over 2 raised to power minus 2. And that simply means 9 times 8 raised to power minus 1 is 1 over 8 raised to power 1, which is 1 over 8. Exactly. We can do it this way. Divided by what? 2 raised to power minus 2. Which is what? 1 over 2 raised to power 2. Do you know? 2 raised to power minus 2 is 1 over 2 raised to power 2, which is 1 over 4. So let me just write the 1 over 4 here. Divided by 1 over 4. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's 9/8.
Beautiful. That's 9 over 8.
Divided.
Divided means times. Divided by 1 over 4 means times 1 over 4. Times 4 over 1. Divided by 1 over 4 means times 4 over 1. And that's what? 4 here 1, 4 here 2. That's 9 over 2, which is 4 number 1 over 2. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
4 number 1 over 2. And what's the option that matches that?
Which that's B.
Option B. And we go to the next one, which is number
26.
26. What does that say?
Evaluate
Evaluate the cube root of
that's log this one is log
85.5 over
all over
219. So we're using the table of logarithms to do that, because I'm not allowed to use a calculator. Now the first number is, no, don't check it, don't open it. The first number is 5.5. What's the characteristic of that number? What's the characteristic of that number? 1 point. Is that true?
Yeah.
Let's go to the table of logarithms. Log 85 under 5. See that 85 under 5, that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9320. The second number is 219. What's the characteristic of our number?
The characteristic of this
Characteristic
number.
of the logarithm of 219. 2. We have 2.
That's 21 under 9.
Log 21 under 9. 21, that's it here. Under 9. 3404.
Plus.
No, we're dividing now, so that means
Also
85.5 divided by 219 will be what? We subtract. 0 minus 4, borrow from here, 10 minus 4, 6, 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 4, possible, borrow from here, 13 minus 4, 9, 8 minus 3, 5, 1 minus 2, minus 1, which is by 1. Is that clear? So now to the cube root,
divided by 2
cube root of
85.5.
Beautiful. Cube root of 85.5 divided by
all over
219 will now be bar 1.5916
divided by 3.
Divided by 3.
3
Which will be what? Bar 3. But what are you using? Bar 3 plus 2.
Plus 2, yes.
Do you understand?
0.5916.
You forgot that you were supposed to adjust it.
Yes. Over 3.
Beautiful.
That's 3 divided by 25.
Okay, bar 3 in bar 3 is bar 1 point, and you say 3 in 25. That's 8. 3 times 8, 24, remaining 3 in 19, 6. 3 times 6 is 18, remaining 1. 3 in 11, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Remaining 2. 3 in 26, 8. 3 times 8, 24, you are repeat 2. 3 in 25, that is 3 in 26. Exactly. So, to 4 decimal places, it will be 8639. Do you understand?
Yes.
You must write it to follow.
Must ensure.
So what's the answer now? We now go, that's the last thing we need to do. We now go to the answer. Therefore,
And
the cube root of
85.5
85.5 divided by 219 is equal to what? Antilog 86 under 3 difference 9. Do you understand that?
Yes.
86 under 3 difference 9. There you go. 86 under 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. And that's 7295. Difference 86 under 3. You are not paying 86 under 3 difference 9.
86.
86 under 3. 7295. Difference 9. Let's go all the way to the difference 86. Difference 9.
That's 15.
10, 0, carry 1, 10, 11, 1. 7, 3. And what do I write?
That's 7.310 times 10 raised power
Minus 1. Are you
That's
guessing?
no, it's 0. Point.
Beautiful. When you multiply by next, you know
Because
there's no
I'm not
backward.
guessing.
That's
0.7310 times
No, that's it.
That's it. Yes.
We cancel this 0 because the last digit after the decimal point, and the answer is 0.731. Do you understand? And now to the next one. That was 26. Okay, let's see the option that matches that. Number 26. What's the correct option? 26. 0.731. Okay, it says 319, 0.731. Okay, 7319. No, let's pick the D. That's the closest one to the answer. Now to 27. What does that say? The value of 4 raised to power 1 over 4 raised to power 6 is what? This simply means, this simply means 4 raised to power 1 over 4 times 6. 2 here, 2 here, 3. And that's 4 raised to power what?
4 is
3 over 2. Which is what? Square root. Square root of 4 now.
Yes.
Raised to power what? 3. Do you understand? That's 2 raised to power 3. Which is what? 8. Beautiful. And what's the option that matches that? 27. What's the option that matches that?
And this is B.
Number 28 quickly. What's 28?
28.
Yes.
What is the antilog of 2.40?
2.4017. Let's go. Let's get that. Oh, you have a chord, sorry. 2.4017. Let's go.
Sign of good living.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah. It's a person that lives well that gets a cut. And you have been feeding well. That's why you have a clean blood. Don't you know that? Antilog 40 under 1 difference 7. It's a sign of good living. 40 under 0 difference. 40 under 1 difference 7. That's 25. 40 under 1 is 2518. Difference 7. 2518 difference 7. Difference 7 is 4. That's 12. 2 carry 1. 2, 5, 2. That will be, so the antilog of 2.40 what? 2.4017. So that will be, antilog of that will be what?
25.
No, we write 2.522 times 10 by what? 2. Exactly.
Yes.
If you want to find the antilog, hold on. We want to find the antilog of this number. That means the logarithm of a number to base 10 is what? 2.4017. Exactly. The antilog of this number, exactly, is a number whose logarithm is this number. Do you understand? So log x raised 7, that means x itself is going to be what? The antilog of 2.4, 2.4017. So we can put it this way. We can say 2.4017. I can say let the logarithm of x to base 10 equal to 2.4017. 2.4017. be equal to 2.4017. So that means, okay, let's keep the value, which is equal to what? 2.522 times 10 raised to the power 2. Is that correct?
Yes.
2.522 times 10 raised to the power
That's
2. And we go 1, 2. That's equal to 252.2. And what's the option that matches that? That's number 28. What's the option that matches that?
That's number
252.2. What's the option that matches that?
D.
Option D, beautiful. Now to 29. What does that say? Evaluate. This is a piece of cake. Log 8 base 2 minus log what? 1 over 9 base 3. Okay. So let's go. Log, that's equal to log 8 base 2 is same as log 8 over log 2 minus log 1 over 9. 1 over 9 is the same as 1 over 3 raised to the power 2, which is what? 3 raised to the power minus 2. Do you understand? So that's log 3 raised to the power minus 2 base 3. Do you understand?
Yes.
And that's equal to what? Log 8 means log 2 raised to the power 3 over log 2 minus, this one will become minus 2 log 3 over log 3. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you sure? So that will be what? Hold on, I think I skipped a step here. I didn't skip it. I should have written this as log 3. Look at that. Log 3 is minus 2 over log 3. Do you understand? And that now means 3 log 2 over log 2 minus and minus is plus. Hey, stop that. That's plus 2 log 3 over log 3. Log 3 here 1, log 3 here 1, log 2 here 1, log 2 here 1. Our left is what? 3 plus 2, which is what? 5. And what's the option that matches that?
E.
Yeah. And number 30. What's it? Read the question. Calculate 27 over 125. Raised to the power what? Minus 1 over 3 times, 4 over 9. Raised to the power what? 1 over 2. And that's equal to what? The cube root of 27 over 125. Raised to the power what? Minus 1 times the square root of this square root. If you don't put the 2, it's still the same thing. Raised to the power 1. Are you there?
Yes.
The cube root of 27 is 3. The cube root of 125 is 5.
Don't fold the book.
Look at that. That will be raised to the power minus 1 times square root of 4 is 2 over square root of 9 is 3 raised to the power 1. Exactly.
Yes.
And that simply means this one is raised to the power minus 1 means 1 divided by 3 over 5 raised to the power 1. Exactly, which is same as 1 divided by 3 over 5 times 2 over 3 raised to the power 1 is still 2 over 3. Do you understand? And that means 1 times 5 over 3 times 2 over 3. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Yes.
And that's 10 over 9, which is the same as 1 over 9. And what's the option that matches that?
E.
Oh, they even wrote it as 10 over 9. That's E. Beautiful. Could that be? Okay, that's the last one. All right, so that's it. Let's take a breather and then